If you're a fan of smart gadgets, futuristic tech, and products that can seriously upgrade your everyday life, you're in the right place. Today's lineup is packed with some seriously cool finds you'll want to see till the end. Before we jump in, subscribe to RevX and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest gadget videos. And remember, all product links are in the description below. Now, let's check out these awesome gadgets.
What if a simple sheet of paper could actually take off like a real airplane? This Powerup smartphone-controlled paper airplane turns your DIY paper plane into a flying gadget. Just fold your plane, connect the Bluetooth module to your phone, and you're ready to fly. The built-in autopilot and wind stabilization help keep the aircraft steady, while acro mode lets you perform loops, barrel rolls, and hammerheads. A quick 30-minute charge gives you around 10 minutes of flight time, with a range of up to 230 feet and speeds reaching 20 miles per hour. You can even use the Powerup app to control your plane, track flights, and learn new aircraft designs. It's fun, interactive, and a great way to experience the basics of flight firsthand.
Want to watch your favorite videos while taking a shower? This waterproof shower phone holder lets you enjoy YouTube, Netflix, music, and more without worrying about water splashes. With IPX6 water resistance and a fog-resistant design, it keeps your phone protected while still giving you a clear screen and smooth touch control. The mount offers up to 480 degrees of rotation, so you can easily adjust the viewing angle from almost any position. Installation is completely drill-free, using strong adhesive hooks that can support up to 4.5 pounds. It also works with phones from 4 to 7 inches, including devices with thicker cases. Perfect for the shower, bathroom, kitchen, or even near the bathtub.
This might be one of the coolest looking aroma diffusers you've ever seen. Designed like a mini fireplace, it combines mist with ambient flame lighting to create a cozy, realistic fire effect. It features 7 color-changing lights plus a fixed color mode, so you can easily match the mood of your bedroom, office, gaming setup, or yoga space. The compact 150 milliliter water tank can run for up to 6 hours, with timer options for 1, 3, or 5 hours. You can control the lights and settings with the included remote, and the diffuser automatically shuts off when the water runs out. And thanks to its ultrasonic low-noise design, it operates at under 35 decibels. A diffuser, humidifier, and mood light, all packed into one futuristic little fireplace.
Want cinematic aerial footage without being a professional pilot? The F11 Pro2 GPS drone makes it surprisingly easy. Its 3-axis mechanical gimbal helps keep footage smooth and stable, while the camera captures 4K video at 30 frames per second and 6K photos. For beginners, features like one-key takeoff and landing and beginner mode make getting started simple. And with GPS return to home, the drone can automatically return if the battery gets low or the signal is lost. You also get up to 70 minutes of total flight time with 2 batteries, plus smart modes like follow, waypoint, cruise control, and orbit. Whether you're capturing family trips, road adventures, or stunning landscapes, this drone puts impressive aerial photography within reach.
Want to pour drinks like you've got your own personal bartender? This smart wine and liquor dispenser makes serving quick, precise, and effortless. With one touch, you can dispense anywhere from 1 to 999 milliliters, helping eliminate messy overpouring. And its built-in aerator can help bring out the flavor of wine in just seconds, instead of waiting for traditional decanting. The one-handed design can even handle heavier bottles, while the included adapters fit a wide range of bottle sizes. It's USB-C rechargeable and can dispense up to 66 bottles of 750 milliliters of wine on a full charge. Perfect for parties, gatherings, or upgrading your home bar.
Want your desk setup to look as cool as it performs? This retro-style mechanical keyboard combines vintage design with modern gaming features. It uses blue mechanical switches for a crisp click, tactile feedback, and fast response, while the round keycaps give it that classic typewriter-inspired look. The built-in control knob lets you quickly adjust volume, lighting effects, brightness, and speed, with 19 different backlight modes to choose from. You also get 104-key anti-ghosting, a durable aluminum alloy panel, and a magnetic wrist rest for extra comfort during long gaming or work sessions. It's USB wired, plug and play, and compatible with both PC and Mac. If you want a keyboard that stands out from the crowd, this one definitely deserves a look. Want your gaming setup to sound as good as it looks? This TC310 Plus RGB microphone is built for gaming, streaming, and clear team communication. With premium audio components and professional tuning, it delivers clean, high-fidelity sound so your voice comes through smooth and clear. It also features 4 RGB lighting modes with multiple colors and effects that you can switch with a single tap. You can even adjust the brightness to match your setup. Need to mute quickly? Just tap the top of the mic, and the gain control lets you easily adjust your microphone volume. The kit also includes a metal boom arm and sturdy desk clamp with adjustable joints for finding the perfect position. If you're upgrading your gaming or streaming setup, this mic brings both great sound and serious style.
Hate mosquitoes ruining your outdoor adventures? This FlexTail rechargeable mosquito repeller is a tiny gadget designed to help keep them away. It creates a 30-foot protection zone and uses a 329-degree Fahrenheit heating system to activate the repellent pads. The Ultra Mini design makes it easy to carry while camping, hiking, backpacking, or relaxing on the patio. Plus, the built-in camping light and magnetic design add extra convenience. Just clip it to your gear, turn it on, and enjoy your time outdoors with fewer unwanted mosquito encounters.
Opening a bottle doesn't have to be a struggle. This Beneno wing corkscrew combines a classic design with a durable 100% zinc alloy construction for long-lasting use. Its built-in bottle opener makes it an all-in-one tool for both corked and capped bottles. The mechanical gear system helps keep the screw centered, making it easier to pull the cork without slipping. And the sharp-edged spiral is designed to grip the cork cleanly without causing it to crumble into your drink. Simple, sturdy, and practical. This is a great addition to any home bar or kitchen.
If you want massive sound without carrying a full-sized sound system, check out the WKing D8. This powerful Bluetooth speaker features dual subwoofers, 2 tweeters, and passive radiators, delivering deep bass, crisp highs, and immersive stereo sound. Plus, the dedicated bass EQ button lets you boost the low end with a single press. And here's where it gets crazy. Pair 2 D8 speakers together and you can create up to 180 watts of peak stereo power, turning your setup into a portable home theater. It's also IPX6 waterproof, offers up to 40 hours of playback at lower volume, and can even charge your other devices. With Bluetooth 5.0, aux, TF card support, NFC, a built-in microphone, and a carrying strap, this speaker is ready for parties, camping, beaches, and more. Looking for a flashlight that's tiny but surprisingly powerful? The Wuben G5 delivers up to 400 lumens with a beam distance of up to 82 meters, all in a compact body that weighs just 52 grams. It features a dual light system with 3 levels of bright white light plus 7 RGB colors for everything from mood lighting to warning and beacon modes. The coolest part is its 180-degree rotating head and adjustable clip, letting you aim the light exactly where you need it, perfect for camping, repairs, cycling, or reading. It's also USB-C rechargeable, takes about 1.5 hours to fully charge, and offers up to 65 hours of runtime on the lowest setting. With an IP65 waterproof design, this little flashlight is ready for everyday carry and outdoor adventures.
Want to completely transform your gaming or movie setup? This Govee RGB ICWW light bar adds dynamic lighting that reacts to your music, games, and movies. With RGB ICWW technology, you can switch between vibrant RGB colors and adjustable cool to warm white lighting, creating the perfect atmosphere for almost any mood. The built-in microphone lets the light sync with sound in real time, creating smooth color transitions without needing an extra hub. You can also control everything through the Govee Home app, with 60+ lighting scenes, custom effects, schedules, and room grouping. Plus, it works with Alexa and Google Home, so you can control the lights with your voice. Place it behind your monitor or TV, stand it vertically, or lay it flat.
If you want to capture your adventures without worrying about shaky or low-quality footage, the DJI Osmo Action 4 is built for the job.
Its large 1.13-inch sensor delivers impressive low-light performance, while 4K at 120 frames per second and a 155-degree ultra-wide view capture every detail. With 10-bit color and D-Log-M, you get richer colors and more editing flexibility. Plus, 3 stabilization modes keep your footage smooth while cycling, riding, or vlogging. It's also waterproof up to 18 meters, works in temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit, and delivers up to 150 minutes of battery life. And with magnetic quick-release mounting and pre-rec, you're always ready to capture the action.
What if you could track your body around the clock without a distracting screen or constant notifications? Meet the Wuben G, a screenless wearable designed to focus entirely on your health and performance. With up to 14 days of battery life, it continuously tracks key metrics and provides insights into sleep.
And that's it for today's gadget lineup. Which one of these gadgets would you actually add to your setup? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and subscribe to RevX for more amazing gadgets, smart tech, and useful finds. And don't forget, all product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.